Do you know this one? This piece of cloth is called Furoshiki. Do you have a Furoshiki? Take two corners and make bunny ears like this. And left over the right, go under and pull. Put two plastic bottles in the middle. Okay. Take two corners, tie them together, and make a knot.